Hey guys, welcome back to another video of Catch Home Slicer. In this video, we're going to be opening something from one of my close friends. Can you guess what it is? 3, 2, 1. It was what was it called? BloodMoon Ursaluna EX box. Inside this box, we got 4 packs, 30 packs and temporal bosses. How many cards? Okay, 4 cards. 2 BloodMoon Ursaluna. I'm not sure if one's big or one's small. Yeah. And a Hoothoot and a Knockdown. Coco, do you want to open this? He says yes. Now let's get started. Now that I've done the intro, let's open the box. Oh, that was simple. This guy can go flying. I have no idea how to open this. Oh yeah, I do have an idea of how to open this, since I opened the exact same box with different cards in the last episode. Oh, it's just that super hard. This might. Oh, found out how to do it. So we have this guy, and then we've got these guys, which go like that. And then we've got this guy, which goes there. And then we've got these guys, which I don't know how to open. Oh, I do know how to open. Oh. So then we have these guys. 1, 2, 3, 4. We don't need you. Very annoying code card. And now we've got the cards. So now that we've opened the box, let me show you the cards. Now we've opened the box, guess what next? Time to show you all of the stuff which were inside the box. Right here we've got the second main man himself, BloodMoon Ursaluna EX. It's got Seasons Guild and BloodMoon. BloodMoon literally makes you miss a turn. What is this? Hoothoot. This owl. So cool. Knockdown. The evolution of Hoothoot. The second super cool guy. Next, we've got packs. Let's see if I can do this in one breath. We've got Surging Sparks, Stellar Crown, Surging Sparks, and Paradox Ring. Finally, we've got the big main man himself, or big second main man himself, Big Ursaluna card. And now that I've showed you all of them, let's open your packs. As I've opened what was it called? Yeah, the BloodMoon Ursaluna box. Now, we're gonna open your packs. First up, we've got Surging Sparks. Let's see what we have. First up, we've got Zangoose. It's a goose. Then, Oricorio, the flame bird. This is a new one. We've got Scatterbug. A new Pokemon. Never heard of it. This is called Waterel. And it is a bird and electric type Pokemon. Registeel. This is a legendary Pokemon, the Reggie group. We've got Warrior. I've actually never heard of this Pokemon, even though I'm a Pokemon genius. Then we've got Magnezone. A Slapper, a sloth which hangs on a tree. Not a fan of sloths. A Alolan Diglett. Don't tell me we're gonna get the overpriced card in this set. 3, 2, 1. Let's see. And we got an Eternatus. Not the most overpriced card in the set, but it's good. Then we've got a Hero Water Energy. Time to open pack 2. Snorlax, a snoring Pokemon. Super funny. Cryogonal. It sounds like as if it cries, man. Uxie. Looks super cool. Charcadet. Remember we pulled that in the last episode. Jasmine's Gaze. There's actually a really rare card in this card. Then we've got Registeel again. Espathra. I've actually got the holo version of this from, what was it called? Yeah, Powder Evolve. We've got Togetic, an egg, flying type, and a psychic type in some reasons. Then we've got Bronzong. It sounds like a big bell. Well, it actually is a big bell. Then we have Dialga again. No, I mean a dragon type again. And a dark, what was it called? Yeah, crystal type energy. A dark crystal type energy. So now circle pack 3 and 4. I always have this feeling that we're going to pull a rare card when we pull Dialga and then Tornadus. Oh. My friend has this art. Wooloo. Super cool. Salandit. It's literally a fire lizard. Dipplin. I have no idea why this is melted apple. Pansy, the monkey. Briar. This guy looks super rich. Azumarill, the evolution of Marill. Reshiram, yay, 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 yay. Now I've got more for Gen 5. Lokix, one of the most newest Pokemon of all time. Pangoro, a fighting panda. And the Melmetal EX. This is great. And a fighting type crystal energy. Time to open pack 2. Pack 4. Finally, we've got Paradox Rift. I saved Paradox Rift for last, for some odd reason. Now, we've got Ferroseed. He's a seed. Gibble, the starting of the Gacha Evolution line. Panpour is actually the monkey for water type. Blitzel. Sounds like a speedy zebra, which is a speedy zebra. Minior. This is super cool. Simipour, the evolution of Panpour. What is this? Zeb Striker. Why are we getting the evolutions of the Pokemon we pulled? Like, we literally got Simipour, which evolves from Panpour, and now we've got Zeb Striker, which evolves from Zittle. I forgot the name of that zebra. A special energy, a medical energy. And the Porygon Z! What? How did we pull this? This is one of the big hitters. This was amazing. Yes! Now, we've got Bruvone. This is great. We are going great. And a basic fighting type. Now, we're gonna open, what was it called? Yeah, now I'm gonna actually show you the rare cards of the board. Now that we've opened the BloodMoon Ursaluna box, you do not know what's coming next. Or do you? Because we do this literally every video. Let me show you the rare cards. Yay, yay, yay. There's Melmetal EX. This guy's got Iron Swim. You have to flip 2 coins, and then it does 100 damage for each more heads. This is actually super good and great for Gen 7. Then we've got Porygon Z. Me and my friend have actually started to turn my mind into a Pokédex, and this can be really useful for Gen 2 to upgrade our cards. Yeah, pretty good. I can only use rare cards, by the way. Yeah, we made up this rule now. I actually don't have to use rare cards, which is great. It's got Buggy Turbo and Energized Attack, which is also great. This is super great. Or not. I am thinking of Porygon in Gen 2, and I'm thinking this Porygon is normal Porygon. Porygon Z is in Gen 8, like Gen 8. What was I thinking? And by the way, this is our big hitter of the season, so yeah, let's go. So, hope you liked the video. Stay tuned for more. Watch all of the birthday episodes once I've finished shooting all of them. And drop a comment and like and subscribe. Bye.